It's the beginning of October. Let's take a look at what's happening in the downtown Chicago real estate market through the month of September. We're going to look at the downtown Chicago real estate market, which means the lakefront communities, South Loop to Edgewater, all along the lakefront, including those immediately west, such as the near west side, Wicker Park, Bucktown, Logan Square, North Center, and Lincoln Square. Let's take a look first at houses. In the month of September, 75 single-family homes closed. As you can see from the chart, this is pretty similar to the previous Septembers of the last 2 years. And the same goes for homes under contract. 81 homes is higher than the previous 2 months, but a little bit lower than 5 years ago. Only 153 homes are currently on the market. This continues to be the story in downtown Chicago. We just don't have enough inventory to sell. That has yielded an all-time high in median sales price. $1.5 million is the new median sales price for a single-family home in this marketplace. That equates to a 1.8 month supply of homes on the market, which is a huge seller's market. There's just not enough inventory, and it takes less than 2 months to sell everything on the market given the current rate of sale. Now, if you break that down into price points, again, surprisingly, the upper bracket is still very brisk. At one point, you can see on the chart, there were 30 months worth of luxury homes on the market for sale. Today, there are only 4.8 months worth of homes for sale. And those under $1.2 million, you're looking at 1.4 or 1.6 months worth of inventory. There's just not enough to meet the demand right now. Year to date, these numbers would be higher if we had more inventory, but the 786 is up 1.6% versus the previous year. So now let's switch over to attached. And by attached, I mean condos, co-ops, and townhomes. 803 properties closed in September. 775 went under contract. That's up from the previous 2 years for the month of September, but inventory continues to hamper us. As you can see, there are only 1,853 attached properties on the market right now. That is the lowest September in recent memory. That equates to a 2.2 month inventory. Again, not enough properties on the market to meet the demand. When you break it down by price point, 7.2 months inventory for properties over $2 million. That is really strong. You can see during the pandemic, it was almost up to 40 months worth of inventory. So to have only 7.2 months is incredibly active. And again, if it's under $2 million, it's 3.7 months. And if it's $500,000 or less, there are only 2 months worth of inventory on the market. That, as you would expect, has resulted in an all-time sales price high of $465, actually the same as last month, but still, we continue to go up and up in price. Year to date, 8,207 attached properties have closed. That's up almost 2% from the year before. And so let's switch now and look at interest rates. We're hoping interest rates are going to unclog the market a little bit here. 6.34 is the most recent Freddie Mac number. And you can see it's been wavering back and forth, but we're still down a bit. All right, quick look at rents. $2,100 per month is the median rent price in Chicago. Now, keep in mind, this is all of Chicago, not just the lakefront communities. And it also includes apartment buildings, not just condominiums that are for rent. The average sales price is $2.68 per square foot. Just give you a sense by neighborhood, you'll see that the near north side is the most expensive at $29.16, followed by the near west side at $28.18 median rent price. All right, that's what's going on in the downtown Chicago real estate market. If you have questions about your situation, if I can help in any way, please reach out. I'm Ann Rossley with Beard & Warner. Let's connect.